everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make a unicorn piñata. Doesn't this look amazing? So much fun. So let's get started. I have a unicorn template and I'm going to use this to cut out a perfect unicorn shape on some cardboard. I'm taking a pen and I'm drawing around the edge of the unicorn. I only want one ear, so I'm doing this slightly different. Perfect. Once that's cut out, we have a great template and we can draw around the template onto our cardboard. Let's cut that out. Nearly done. We need to do this twice because we need two, a front and a back. Now I have some more cardboard. I'm going to draw 6 cm intervals along the edge using my ruler. We want to cut out a whole bunch of 6 cm strips, just like so. These are going to be the edge of our piñata. We want quite a few. So let me show how to put it all together. We're going to use these strips and we're going to attach them using some tape. We want to run these around the outside of our unicorn template, just like so. Perfect. We want to use as many strips as we need to create an edge around the entire template. We want to draw and cut an opening on this back edge. This is where we'll put the sweets inside. It's not important that the edges are perfect because we're going to be covering the entire thing. Let's leave a flap, just like so. Now continue sticking. Going around the bottom. Perfect. Well done. Cut off any excess. And there you have it. The edge is done. So let's stick the other side on. Simply tape it in place. Good work. Now we're going to take some glue. I've got some PVA glue and I'm adding it to a bowl along with some water. Mix this together using a paintbrush. We're now going to cover our unicorn. I'm using some white tissue. We're simply adding it on and covering that with glue. This is going to create an awesome furry white effect. Don't forget to leave the flap open at the back. Let that dry. Now I have some white paint and I'm going to cover it over the tissue. This tissue has created an awesome texture. And when you paint it white, you won't see any of the tape. Perfect. This is looking fabulous. leave that to dry. Now I have some gold card with a sticky back. Once our unicorn's dry, I'm going to use this to cover the unicorn horn. Cut it to the right size and stick it together. Now let's take some tissue paper for the unicorn's fur. We're going to create a fringe effect. So fold it in half and cut some strips, but not all the way to the top because that's what holds it all together. Do this a few times so you have lots of fur for your unicorn. We're now going to take some PVA glue and glue that on. This is what makes a traditional piñata. The fringing is really important. We want to repeat this all the way around and up the head of the unicorn. Perfect. Doesn't that look great? We're now going to create a small hole in the top of our unicorn. And we're going to thread some string through. Pull it through the hole that we made at the back. And tie some cardboard. This is how you'll be able to hang your piñata. Let's take some pink sticky back foam for the nose and the ears. I'm cutting a giant semicircle which I'm sticking on as half of the nose, and I'm repeating that on the other side. As well as adding some pink for the ears. Now let's take some coloured tissue paper and repeat the fringing process, except this time we're sticking it to the top of the unicorn to create a rainbow mane. Looks great! Perfect! We now have some googly eyes, which we're going to glue on. And I'm using a black SHARPIE to add nose and mouth detail. All that we need to do now is fill in with some treats. Tape the flap shut. And then hang him up. It's such a shame, but all you've got to do now is hit him and try and get the sweets out, because that's what you do with a piñata. Just like so.